In this video, I will show you how you can find Exness account number. So it's very easy to find it. You need to open My Accounts under Trading. So you need to go to your personal area. If you are in this terminal, you just want to click on those 9 dots, then Personal Area. And from here, choose My Accounts. And then you want to choose account for which you want to get your account number. So you can choose either from real accounts or demo accounts. So just select demo or real and then choose those 3 dots next to the account for which you want to know your account number. And from the drop down, choose account information. And here, this first thing, this hashtag and this number is your account number. You can also see it over here, and that's pretty much it. This is how you can find your account number on Exness. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.